Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover adjectives of quantity, or you can say quantitative adjectives. There is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel, and the link of the same will be available right in the description box below. Now, without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Adjectives of quantity or quantitative adjective. These adjectives specify the quantity of uncountable nouns. So, basically, whenever we'll be dealing with quantity of adjectives, we'll be dealing with the quantities of uncountable nouns, because uncountable nouns have quantities, right? So when we refer to number, we refer to basically the numeral adjectives. That's a different thing that will be discussed in further videos, but today we'll discuss adjectives of quantity, which refers to the quantity of uncountable nouns. That means that whenever we'll be using adjectives of quantity, we'll be always using uncountable nouns, right? So basically these questions do not give us an exact number, okay, and they answered the question how much. Let us have a look at these examples here. The first one is adding some lemon will make the salad tastier. So in this we are referring to the noun lemon, right, and therefore some lemon, right? So therefore adding some lemon means it's a lump sum quantity. We are not talking about adding one lemon or two lemon, no, because we extract juice from it and therefore it is an uncountable noun. So we have used some lemon, okay, that is denoting quantity. The next example is he did not eat any bread, okay, so bread is an uncountable noun, okay, so he did not eat any bread, it's giving the quantity any, it's not giving an exact number. The next and the last example is there is enough water in the pitcher. So water is an uncountable noun and enough is used as an adjective of quantity. So students, present before you is the list of adjectives of quantity, or you can say list of quantitative adjectives. So you can use these different adjectives of quantity in the company with your nouns to give them a show of quantity, right, to describe the quantity, to determine the quantity actually. So the list goes like this. You can add adjectives of quantity such as some, you can add little, much, enough, any. You can even add words like sufficient, whole, great, double, very, empty, right? So this was a basic list of adjectives of quantity which you can use with your uncountable noun to show that it is an adjective of quantity. This section brings an end to today's video. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlists will be provided in the description box below. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.